This is our RIEGL VMX system, which is the big brother of our smaller VMQ system. So this system is typically deployed on road or rail corridors, specifically looking at the road, infrastructure alongside that, so paths, power lines, and things within up to about 100 to 120 metres from the centre line of either the road or the rail corridor. The benefit of the big system is because we've got the two heads, we don't need as many passes along the corridor to gather the data that we need. So we can get 3.6 million points per second, and the pattern that it generates allows us to pick up more features on the road or the corridor that we're working in. So it's kind of optimised for heavier and longer types of operations.